Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got 2019 Mazda CX-5. I'm going to show you how to change front brake pad. Stay with me, take a good idea. If you not still subscribe our channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. Also, if you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go. Next step, I'm going to remove tire. And make sure the sliders working fine, bottom one okay, and the top one also, yes, all working fine. I'm going to install new set of brake pad. I'm going to use Epic brand. If you're in Bromley area, you can buy from the Southern Motors. If you are in other area, you can contact your local supplier and find out. I'm recommending to use it Epic brand. If someone supply the Epic brand, go for this one. This is very good quality parts. It's come with the back plate we need to install. And also wear indicators. All four pads same. I'm going to compare with the old one and new one. Identically, I'm happy for this one. This one going to inside the pad. like this, and this one going top of this black one. Right, and the inside pad you need to fix wear indicator. Fix it like this. Right, it's on. This is the inside pad, and I'm going to make it outside one now. Right, after that you need to apply little bit copper grease in the edge. And install like this. And other one also the same way, need to apply little bit copper grease. Right, it's done. And need to install this bolt. And just do the hand tight. Right. Done. Once you've done the job, make sure this is the wheel lock nut key. Put it inside car safer place. And next step, I'm going to lower the jack. And also, this is the very important thing. Once you've done the brake, make sure go inside the car and press brake pedal 5-6 times until it's getting hard. Otherwise you ending with unexpected incident. This is the way you need to do the front brake pad. I'm not going to show you other side. However, I think you can get good idea from this side. You have to follow the similar way to the other side. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe us and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. See you with another video.